Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're doing an extensive advanced piano solo arrangement that sounds beautiful. It's called Humanity by Scorpions, and it's a piano cover that someone did on YouTube, and it says Best Piano Cover in the title. And it probably is, but you can look it up. It's done by Evgeny Kimara on YouTube, so you can listen to that. But let's get to the lesson here. Let's do our part one now. And then it'll continue after you count. So here we go. Well, this is just the very tip of the iceberg. If you remember the website, you can download all my sheets for this. And I do teach reading music. It's just a different system. I don't use traditional music notation. Some people just need a different way to learn. And millions of people across the world who had trouble reading, regular music, this works for them. So maybe it will for you if you've had that same experience in life. All right, so here we go. We got a lot of sharps, so sorry about that. This is advanced, so I'm not going to say sharp every time because there's so many. I'm just going to call out the letter, okay? But most of them are sharp, as you can see. So left hand we have C and G, right hand C, C, G, E, D. So that's the first measure. Okay, next measure E, C, G, E, G, and then a triplet. Ba-ka-ba-ba-ba. So the F, G, F is a triplet. Da-ga-da-da-dum. Then you have a middle C right there. So from the beginning. So we were in C sharp minor for the first two chords of the song, measures, and then we go to F sharp minor. Okay, so left hand's going to have F, C sharp. You just cross over. Right hand F, C, A, F, G, C, G, F. So next measure A, C, A, F, G, and then another triplet. So F, G, F, E, C, and left hand is A, C sharp, A. So okay, so those two measures are then we go to the chord of B, a B chord. All right, so B, D sharp, F sharp, B in the left, A, and then G sharp, D sharp. Make sure you pedal on those, pedaling the B, A, and G sharp there. Right hand E to F. We're going to flip that as a grace note, E to F sharp. D sharp, B, F sharp, E, B, la, la, la. So those are a little faster. F sharp, E, then B sharp, D sharp. B sharp is like playing a C, right? So it's B sharp, it's a G sharp major chord. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then it continues after that. Well, guys, that is just the beginning of this. Listen to the thing on YouTube, the guy playing. It's very, very good. He's a professional, and it took me a long time to transcribe and listen to this and to grab the arrangement just like we need it to be. But see you on the website, and hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later.